Hello guys, thank you for tuning in. My name is Chini. Guys, today we are here at Mantus Nigeria to do an unboxing of one of their products, Leica Disto System. Want to see what the content looks like, want to see what the product does and how it's going to benefit surveyors and those into construction industry. Come with me. Here with me is
Melvina, the Leica representative for Mamtus Nigeria.
okay. Could you please show us what products you have here for Leica?
Okay. Yeah, we have the TS07 and 03, the Leica mono total stations. Then this is the rotational laser level, the rugby. This is the laser distance measurement, and these are the levels we have, automatic levels.
Okay, okay. So where is this branch from? Where's the product from?
It's from Switzerland. We place our orders directly from Switzerland.
Okay, thank you for that. So guys, today we are going to be doing the unboxing for this particular product. Disto what? Disto what?
D510.
Okay, Disto D510 guys. Follow me as we do the unboxing. Thank you. Okay guys, now we're going to be unboxing this beautiful masterpiece here by Melvina. Could you please help us unbox this? Let's see what the content looks like.
Come with me, guys.
Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Right. So this,
Wow,
okay.
this is beautiful.
Yes. So this is the distance measurement itself. This is a tripod, and this is the adapter. This is for when you need to mount it on site. So this is best used by surveyors and civil engineers in a very busy construction site. It has dust and splash proof. It has dust and splash proof. It can withstand a little bit of dust and water splash. It has Bluetooth, so you can send the measurements from this to your smartphones. It has an app that can be used on smartphones. This app can help you create plans and maps.
Okay.
Yeah, and it can save up to 30 measurements.
What do you mean by 30 measurements?
By 30 measurements, I mean you're in the site and you're taking up to 30 measurements, and then, or rather, let's say 50, and then you stop. When you come back later to use it and you need to check on those measurements, you probably didn't record it properly. It can bring up the last 30 measurements.
Oh, okay.
Yes, it can do this. Yeah.
So what you're saying, in other words, it saves information.
It saves information.
Or data.
Data, anyhow, whatever you call it. But the last 30 measurements, every last 30 measurements you take on this machine will be saved for you, regardless of how long it takes. You can always bring it up and to bring out the last 30 measurements too. It's
Okay. So what is this for?
This is the adapter. This adapter can be mounted on this tripod and you can use it on the site.
Okay, this is the battery.
These are the batteries for it.
Okay.
It's a very little compacted.
And these are the manuals, I guess.
Yes, that can help you in setting up the machine on site.
Okay, thank you for those information. We really appreciate your time and efforts. Could you please throw more light to companies or individual you think this machine could be beneficial to?
Okay, so any construction firm, surveying firm, I'm talking Dan Tata, I'm talking Julius Berger, you could get this and it will save you a whole lot of stress, the stress of driving your tape in a busy environment. I mean, it's safer and it will save you time also. Now, if you need to get this, all you have to do is visit our website www.mamtus.ng or send an email to mamtus@mamtus.ng. Or you could even visit our physical store at 87 Palm Avenue, Mushin, Lagos, Nigeria. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, guys. You've heard from the Mantus rep for Leica products here in Nigeria. So, guys, if you want to place your order, you already have the information she just mentioned. Just go straight to their website www.mantus.ng. You could also feel free to visit their showrooms in 87 Palm Avenue, Mushin, Lagos. Feel free to also write them email at mantus.mantus.ng. Place your orders. Be sure to have your orders delivered within 48 hours of placing your orders. That is that on that, guys. So if you like the video you just saw, if you like things like this, products unveiling like this, feel free to subscribe. Press the subscribe button. for more product info like this. See you again, guys, some other time for more products unveiling. We'll have the marketer, we'll have the brand and bunch items and other agricultural equipment that will be unveiling. See you again some other time. Thank you, guys.